Kruzumi, a collaboration between Krishna Motors India and Sumitomo Corporation Japan. Krishna Group is one of the largest automotive manufacturing company in India, known for its quality, commitment and customer orientation. Sumitomo is a 400-year-old Japanese firm which has delivered more than 300 projects across the globe. These two giants, they come together to form a new firm known as Kruzumi. When we break these two words, Kruzumi, we come across Kri and Zumi. Kri stands for creation in Sanskrit and Sumi stands for fine living in Japanese. So they come together as a creation of fine living in India. They have launched Kruzumi Waterfall Residencies in Sector 36A Dwarka Expressway. If we talk about location, it is strategically located and is easily accessible to NH8, Dwarka Expressway, New Gurgaon, SPR Road and Golf Course Extension. It is just 1 minute away from the upcoming ISBT, 1 kilometer away from the upcoming Cyber Hub 2. This township is developed over 65 acres of land and this will be developed in 7 to 8 phases and there will be 5,000 apartments which will come up in next 10 years. They have successfully launched their phase 1 which is nearing possession in next 6 to 8 months. Then they came up with phase 2 where construction is in the full swing. Kruzumi is ready and they have launched their phase 3. And I have a full confidence on this phase 3 and the reasons for that are phase 1 is nearing possession and the way it has shaped up, the quality and the luxury which is ready for possession brings more confidence of the investors and buyers towards the product. Phase 2 also brought the concept of studios in the real estate market which is very well appreciated and accepted by all the investors. So phase 3 has come up with the concept of studios, 1 LDKs, 2 LDKs and 3 LDKs. Studio or LDK comes in 3 different sizes and price is starting at 1.96 CR. Similarly, 2 LDK also comes in 2 sizes and the price starts at 3.69 CR. 3 LDK also comes in 2 different sizes and the price will start at 4.70 CR. If you have any queries on the project, feel free to connect with the Homeworks team.